Baking up a storm, unveiling the flavor of idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, baking up a storm. This phrase is a vivid part of English and a great example of how colorful and imaginative the language can be. So, let's get ready to mix, whisk, and bake our way through English idioms. At first glance, this phrase might conjure images of someone baking amidst a thunderstorm. However, idioms are not meant to be taken literally. Baking up a storm actually means to bake a large amount of food at once, with great enthusiasm or skill. It's often used to describe someone who is passionately and busily making lots of cakes, cookies, or bread, typically for a special occasion or just for the love of baking. Let's dissect this phrase a bit more. The word, baking, is clear. It refers to cooking food by dry heat, especially in an oven. But why a storm? In English, the word, storm, can be used metaphorically to describe a situation where a lot of something is happening very intensely. So, baking up a storm suggests an intense, energetic, and abundant baking session. Understanding an idiom also involves knowing how to use it in a sentence. Let's look at some examples. 1. My grandmother has been baking up a storm for the family reunion. 2. I have a lot of free time this weekend, so I might just bake up a storm. Notice how the phrase can describe both a singular event and a habitual action. This idiom also reflects a bit of cultural context. In many English-speaking societies, baking is associated with home, comfort, and celebrations. So, when someone is baking up a storm, it often implies a sense of warmth, hospitality, and joyfulness. And there you have it. Baking up a storm is more than just about baking. It's about doing something with passion and abundance. I hope this exploration of idioms adds a bit of flavor to your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be cooking up a storm with your English skills. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.